Vision, the channel where we bring you the latest updates and reviews on the world's most exciting cars. If you love automobiles and want to stay informed about cutting-edge designs, powerful engines, and the most luxurious features, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. Now, let's dive into today's feature, the 2025 Genesis G90. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a statement of elegance, technology, and innovation. This flagship sedan has been designed to compete with the very best in the luxury segment, offering an experience that rivals traditional giants like Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Genesis has once again delivered a vehicle that combines performance, craftsmanship, and style in a way that feels both modern and timeless. Let's start with the design. The G90 features a bold, athletic stance with the signature crest grille flanked by sleek, dual-line LED headlights. Every angle of the car exudes sophistication, from its smooth silhouette to its striking 21-inch alloy wheels. The attention to detail in the exterior design is remarkable, making the G90 not just a car but a piece of art on wheels. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring high-quality materials such as quilted Nappa leather, natural wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The 2025 G90 is more than just beautiful, it's technologically advanced. It comes equipped with a 12.3-inch digital driver display, a 14.5-inch infotainment screen, and a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. Advanced ambient lighting and customizable settings enhance the serene and modern atmosphere. Under the hood, the Genesis G90 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system, offering smooth performance and improved efficiency. The adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable and composed ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Safety is another standout feature. Genesis has packed the G90 with the latest driver assistance systems, including highway driving assist, blind spot monitoring, and smart parking assist. These features not only make driving safer but also more convenient. So, if you're looking for a luxury sedan that combines world-class craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance, the 2025 Genesis G90 is a car you can't ignore. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.